And once you start loving your father, remember one thing, you'll start loving every living entity. Because today, I still remember in 62, though I was 6 years old then, it was, what was it? Hindi, Chini, Bhai Bhai. First, I am Hindi, you are Chini, and then Bhai Bhai. No, it should be first we are Bhai Bhai, and then we will be anything else. But that is only realized when you believe in one. That's what Prabhupada said. When a good person starts loving his father, he starts loving all his brothers. If a person who really loves his father, loves all his creation, right or wrong, otherwise he cannot love his creation. He will think this creation is for me, for my enjoyment, he will exploit the creation. So this is how spirituality binds you. It makes a very broad vision. Now everyone is, I don't see you as you are from different father or anything. I'm telling you one thing. When you come to the level of spirituality, I just start saying that your father and mother were actually tailors. What were they? Tailors, yes. But this tailor has got importance. Were like tailors. But the tailor is importance. Because he's brought us into this world. He helped us to come to this world. But they are like tailors, are they not? The body, the elements of the body, who gave? God. So that means we are of the same family wearing different dresses. Like in India we have Mafatlal, Binni, Reliance, right? But if 4 brothers wear different clothes from different, like you wear from Macy's and someone wears from the Hilfers, or someone wears from your Spencer's. But what happens? Father is one. That is how spirituality creates a broad vision. But in religion there is a problem. My God, your God. There can be not my God or your God. God has to be one. And He is one. You can see it. 2 eyes, nose, mouth, ear. You have special ones in Muslims, or Hindus have got special nose. They got long nose. No, I think everything is the same. Is it not? Shastra says birth, death, old age and disease. All 4, everyone goes. If someone had a special God, he would see my people not die. They will not be diseased. Is it so? No. Our only plan is this: we want that everyone should get a chance to know Bhagavad Gita. Then they follow it or not follow it, that is there. That's why Prabhupada said that we are not an atheist religion, we are a theist religion. We believe God is there, will be there, and He will never finish. We were servants, we are servants, and we will remain servants, and that is our best position to be in. Because the servant has got no tension. It is the work of the master to see that he is fed well, right? We keep doing our work. But when you want to become God, you had it. It happens in the world also. When you want to become boss, you had it. The President of the United States, how can he sleep? If you see someone having all these type of problems, any time Iran can attack, or any time those crazy people can attack, so how can he sleep well? Because he is one of them, they'll target him, the first person. So the more the boss you want to become, the more problems you're going to get. So that shows that we are naturally not bosses. We are naturally servants. We are so happy. Thank you. Hare Krishna.